Workers, aka the King Starter, back today with another video. Today's video is going to be a video about me working on my floors in the new room. I know it's been a while since we posted a video, and I apologize, but I've been trying to, put up little short videos here and there when I have a chance. But yeah, I got the idea from Home Renovation DIY. I'm going to link his channel down below in the description, so y'all make sure y'all go check him out and subscribe to his channel. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So what I'm gonna do is, I got y'all part up on a ladder right now. Hold on. So I got everything I need right here. I got the floor, the the vinyl floor cutter. I got every tool I'm gonna need right here. Uh-oh, it's blurry. I got every tool that I need right here. I also got a trash bag for the stuff that I had. I have the nail gun, the Sawzall, that's the name of it is, don't get me wrong. Yeah, some pencils, a saw to cut the floorboard or to cut under the baseboard right there. And I got the trimming and the divider, I believe that's the name of it is. So yeah, we got all that set up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the room cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and, sweep the floor, mop it, make sure all the dust and debris is gone from out of it. Move some of the stuff out and go ahead and get to it. It is currently 6:54. I'm about to go ahead and just start it. It's about to be nighttime soon, so hopefully it's kind of hot. So hopefully it'll cool down. Like I got a fan right here, but like I said, everything in here is going out. So once I get everything set it up, I'm gonna come back to you. So wish me luck. Alright y'all, so we just came back. I pushed everything on this side of the room right here. I got everything done, like I got all the sweeping and all the mopping done. I used a little Swiffer to mop, so that's pretty good. What I got right here is a vinyl, it's a waterproof vinyl planking. I asked the lady what's good for the room. She said, yeah, she made a little joke about some probably spilling water or she said if I'm gonna have water balloons fights in the room. I don't know, but that was just something she said. But I didn't realize that I wasn't supposed to get this for the floor, so I guess it's the wrong one. But I think it still worked good. But I know you can use the water. She said you can use the waterproof flooring and then the kitchen and the bathroom. So yeah, so I also got right here is the vinyl floor cutter. You can get this at Lowe's. You can get this at Lowe's and Walmart, I believe. I mean, Lowe's and Home Depot, I believe. And then I got the floor installation kit. Windows, I'm working on the last. I probably just clean it up a little bit and just find something to cover the two holes up. Once I get some more money to do that. And yeah, so with that being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got the box right here. I'm about to cut it over. I got a couple of them right here actually. I'm about to put them right in front of the ladder or the tripod, so I can have everything out and start working. Because in the video he said, it won't look right if you have all the pieces together at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a couple boxes open and I'm gonna just go through them and cut them aside. So with that being said, let's go. So the kit comes with spacers in it, and what you need, what I'm gonna do with these is put it along the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna explain it right, but I'm trying my best. But I'm gonna put it along the wall, and I'm gonna tape it on there so we can have like a couple of inches for the I think it's called dividers to go on there. So yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, so y'all see that little one spot over there? You see that one spot right there? I'm gonna have to measure it. So, I'm sorry the camera angle's bad, but I'm gonna have to measure it so I can get these pieces right. So, yeah. And then the offset piece that I use, I will start that the next line. So let's keep going. I had to cut the video short last night because I didn't start till about 1 o'clock, but the floor is halfway done. I don't want to show it yet until, you know, well, I'll show it. But last night, somebody came to my window, I don't know which one it was. It was about 12:50 to 1 o'clock last night. Somebody came to my window. It was like, mind you, it was lit in the room, so you couldn't see outside. So they was like, hey, you need some help? You need some help? You need some help? Hey, you need some help? So I had to stop. Me and my brother had to go outside and walked around the house to see if anybody was out there. We didn't see nobody, but it sounded like he jumped the fence when I closed the windows and stuff. But yeah, so that was just crazy. So I didn't keep recording last night. I just said I was gonna stop because it kind of blew my night and I was on edge. Not on edge. Well, yeah, I was on edge and then I was on high alert at the same time because I was just trying to make sure I don't hear nobody come to the windows and stuff. So yeah, it's crazy. People do some stupid stuff. So let's get back into the video. Let me show you how it look. So this the first set right here. It's come out nice. And I stopped right there. It took me a couple of hours to do this. Well, it took me about like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'd say about 5 hours to do this one row because the one row kept irritating me. I think I might have OCD, I don't know. Because if it's not perfect, then I gotta start over. And everything was perfect, it's just the walls, it's just the wood kept going towards the edge, so I just had to start it over again. So, but everything looks nice now. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead, get this started. Like I said, I gotta clear some more memory on my camera because my camera keep going off because it keeps saying it's full for some reason. But yeah, once I clear some more memory out, then we can get started and I can just show y'all a little bit more. But yeah, let's get started. Alright y'all, so I messed up. So this cut right here is supposed to be up here or somewhere like right in this area. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna trim this down some more and then cut it all over again. But I'm about to try to move the camera somewhere else because I'm about done the closet. And once I'm done the closet, I'm just show y'all how everything looks. So be right back. Alright y'all, I got that side of the floor done. I just need to get this side right here. I'm not gonna show y'all the product yet. But yeah, I just got this side right here. I got the closet. That was the hardest part to do because I messed up on one board because I had to keep cutting it and measuring it. But how the saying go, measure twice, cut once. But I can measure once, cut a lot of times. So I got it looking nice now. I can't wait till y'all see it. But once I'm done with the floor, then I'm gonna have to put these on so it can look right. So yeah. Alright y'all, so let me show y'all. So this part right here, I'm just gonna move it on like that. Well, I'm gonna keep it lined up with this right here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it lined up with this one right here. So then the molding can go all the way around it. I'll probably just screw these tubes in. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get me another camera because this G7X is good. I got the Mark II, it's good and all, but the battery's some crap. It lasts like 20 minutes. And it don't have a, it go off the camera go off every 20 minutes, so it gets frustrating for me to keep getting up and stop working and come back and turn the camera on. But I'm trying to make sure the video is good for y'all and that y'all entertaining it, but I don't feel like I did a good job in setting up the camera and all that. But I'm gonna keep going. But when I'm done with the whole room, then I'm gonna just go ahead and reveal it. And hopefully y'all like it. Alright y'all, I'm done. The only thing I gotta do now is put the moldings on the wall and the dividers in the door. And then I'm gonna do the big reveal. I gotta make it run right fast. So when I come back, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna show y'all the end of project. So I hope y'all like this. Like I said, shout out to Home Renovations DIY. Like I said, his channel will be linked down below. You'll learn a lot from his channel. Yeah, so with that being said, let's get to it. Alright y'all, so the room is done, finally. Amber helped me out, but she's in the other room right now. I'm about to show y'all how the floors look. And I didn't really have that much trash. For a beginner, I can say it was frustrating. What else? It took a lot of work to do. Measurements had to be done, you know. And some of the tools I already had, some of the tools I had to buy. But all in all, I would say that we spent in this room alone, you know, paint, floors, the light, everything came out, I want to say in the high $2,000s, the high $2,000 range. But yeah, Home Renovation DIY, YouTube, check him out. Go subscribe to his channel if you haven't. If you want to do DIY projects on your own, that's the video to go to. You know, check him out on that. Make sure y'all watch his videos and like it. But yeah, let's get to the floor. I'm really proud of myself, like I said, for a beginner. Let me sit down for a minute, because I'm tired. So for a beginner doing the floors, like I said, it's easy if you know what to do, and it's hard because you, like me, I overthink a lot. But all in all, I like to say shout out to Home Renovation, DIY. I will link his YouTube channel down below. Shout out to my girl Amber for helping me out. She helped me out with the floors, pick the paint. She helped me out with everything in here. So I want to give a shout out to her too. She did help me cut some stuff, and then, you know, help me put some stuff up. Myself, this was a good project to start on and do. If you have a project in your house y'all thinking about doing, go ahead and do it. Just watch a lot of YouTube videos. Like, I don't have no carpentry skills, or I never learned how to do no carpentry, but I just learned from YouTube. But yeah, I'm kind of talking too much. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna end the video right here. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but I do post small bits here and there. Just stay active on here and keep y'all entertained, like I said at the beginning. But yeah, that's gonna end the video right here. This been your boy Ernest, aka the King Snorter, and we out. Peace.